firm, and we are in need of a Notion specialist to fix or organize our Notion workspace. Okay, so um, can you tell me how many years of hands-on experience do you have in Notion?
Definitely. Okay, most welcome here. So I am Muhammad using Notion last 4 years, and during this time I have built 300 plus Notion template for my client, and top rated on Upwork, level 2 seller on Fiverr, and good approach on LinkedIn. And I am the top 5 founder Ahmad CRM Production, top 5 companies that help about Notion and so more. So I can help each type of Notion, like include dashboard, roll-up setup, relationship setup, formulas, properties, link database, etc. Like I have read your requirement, like you need to entire workspace Notion expert, develop, optimize Notion workspace, improve efficiency, process, and maintain like your complete Notion, support your team, and so more. So after
Mhm.
your complete job description, I am confident and I can deliver that you are expecting, because
Yeah.
yeah, I have a 4 year experience, and 300 plus Notion template I have served on my client.
Sorry, 300 plus.
Yes, yeah,
300 plus what?
yes, I have built 300 plus Notion template. I have
Ah,
told you, I can show you.
plus Notion template. Okay, so your portfolio, is it on your profile?
And now, oh, yeah, I have a different portfolio of Notion, like 300.
Ah, okay. So can you send it to me in the chat?
Mhm. Oh,
You also have experience with automation, right?
yeah, definitely with automation
Mhm.
inside of like Notion, and out of Notion, like with the help of make.com, zapier.com. If you want to integrate some other tool like Slack, Gmail, calendar, so I can do that.
In make.com. You use Zapier also, right?
Okay, yeah, I am talking about Zapier and make.com. So
And Zapier.
yes, we prefer
All right.
Zapier, no problem.
Okay, but when it comes to Notion, aside from the 300 plus Notion template you have built, what else what else have you accomplished using Notion?
Can you repeat again your question?
Okay, so I'm going to rephrase my question. What are the types of clients you've worked with in Notion?
Mostly, I have built a social media planner, marketing agencies, business development template, personal use, productive system, and gym system, education system, coach system, like each
Yeah.
type of
But
client.
your clients are based in where?
Mostly 90% my client is from United States, like USA.
In the US. Okay. And then what are the industries you have supported?
Mostly, I am supporting marketing industry and real estate, and mostly e-commerce.
Marketing industry, e-commerce,
Yeah,
and
social media management, like I am supporting live support as a Notion virtual assistant when they
Mhm.
need help, and when they need organize their Notion, and if they have any queries about Notion, I can go live and optimize their workflow and answer their questions or more.
Okay, you also have Notion certification, right?
Yes, previous I was a certified Notion, and it was attached my upper profile, but recently not here. Even
Okay.
yeah, even I have conducted multiple session in Notion team.
Okay. So what is your expected salary per hour?
Normally, I am charged $25 per hour. Uh,
Mhm.
yeah, as an automation integration Notion expert, but you can share your thought, like how much you pay me easily. I can,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, negotiable. So I'll put negotiable. Also, kindly share your portfolio that you mentioned to me, so that when I endorse your profile to Devianch, our hiring manager, which is the CEO himself,
Mm-hmm.
then I could share your portfolio as well. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'll be discussing your background, and as I mentioned, I'll be um sharing your portfolio as well. So hopefully after this call, you can share it to me already, okay? So I can put it on our database. And then I will ask for his availability for your final interview with him. Okay?
Okay, no problem. At the end of this meeting, I will share you my portfolio.
Okay, cool. So thank you so much for your time and for sharing your background. I'll reach out to you again later. Okay?
Okay, most welcome. I will wait for positive response.
Yeah, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye bye. Take care. Awesome. Nice to talk to you.
Bye.